Here's how to purchase an NFT on KurumaNFT.com with a credit card. Those who still want to use the Phantom wallet to purchase NFTs should follow these instructions. First, go to the page that features the NFT collection you'd like to shop. For this tutorial, we'll choose the KurumaNFT Pit Pass. Click on the Mint Now button. This will take you to the page you see here. Phantom wallet holders will click on Select Wallet, but for credit or debit card purchases, you will click on the Buy with Credit Card button that has the green Crossmint logo. This will take you to the Crossmint page. Register here with your email or through your Google account. Enter your password and click on Next. In the Pay With box to the right, click on the word Change. This will create new boxes where you can input your credit card or debit card information. The number on the left above the Crossmint logo is the price of the NFT in US dollars. Then, click the Pay box. This will initiate the minting process, which may take a minute or two. You will get an email notification when minting is completed, and your newly purchased NFT will be in your Crossmint account. You can view and manage your collection by clicking the Go to My Collection box. Details of your NFT will appear along with the NFT itself. In this case, it's Kuruma Pit Pass number 452. You can also move the NFT from your Crossmint account to your Phantom wallet. Go back to the Crossmint collection page and call up the NFT you want to move. Click on the Export box. You will be taken to the Export page where you will be prompted to add the wallet you want to move the NFT to. Click on that box. Input the Phantom wallet information, which is your unique Phantom wallet ID number. Click the Save Wallet box and then click Export. Go to your collections in the Phantom wallet to confirm the transfer, which may take several seconds. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of a Kuruma NFT.